The promo production process usually starts with an idea, and that idea has to be based on a set of ground rules, and those ground rules come from something called a creative brief. A creative brief is a document that usually is generated by either the corporate branding department or an outside agency that works as the agency of record for your client. And it comes in either a verbal description, they may tell you exactly what it is that the creative direction is for the entire company. And sometimes it could be very sophisticated in the form of a PowerPoint presentation. The whole idea is that it's a very flexible process, but the one thing that's crucial is that you understand your client and understand the goals of the animation. In this case, we're trying to promote the program block called Shark Zone. And this Shark Zone is on an imaginary network called the Adventure Channel. The promo has to feature sharks, and it has to show those sharks in a really intense, dramatic way. And that intense, dramatic way has to be consistent with the branding philosophy of the Adventure Channel. And so that begs the question, what is the Adventure Channel? The Adventure Channel is a network that is devoted to all things outside an epic. The graphics and programming are intended to appeal to a male audience, but that male audience is really oriented between the ages of 18 and 34. They always like to travel to exotic locations on the Adventure Channel, Fiji, Bora Bora, the Great Barrier Reef, any place that's outside and exciting. The style of the programming and the style of the promotions on the network are very intense and visually oriented, very stimulating for the eyes, lots of eye candy. And the type of cutting and the type of graphics they use are very dramatic, created with quick cuts and edgy design. So all of these ideas come together to help drive the idea behind the promotions for the network. And they also help to drive the idea for the promotion Shark Zone. Now that we have an idea of what the creative direction is for the network and for the promo, we can begin to plan out our project.